Welcome friends, my name is Teke Moiri Madhukar. My seminar topic is pancreatic hormones, glucocorticoids. So, what is meant by pancreatic hormones? The endocrine component of the pancreas consists of islet cells that create and release important hormones directly into the bloodstream. Two of the main pancreatic hormones are insulin and glucagon. Insulin, which acts to lower blood sugar, and glucagon, which acts to raise blood sugar. Then glucocorticoids. GCS, are widely used for inflammatory and autoimmune diseases. Their mechanism of action is most commonly rooted in genomic effects that have both beneficial and adverse consequences. The purpose of this review is to discuss the potential complications and side effects that may occur with JC use. Many of these complications are related to the dose and duration of therapy used. Autoimmune diseases of the nervous system, rheumatology, clinical specialty, vasculitis, central nervous system, autoimmune diseases of the nervous system, myositis, neuromuscular diseases. The mechanism of action of GC. The GCS have inhibitory effects on B and T cells and phagocytosis, having activity on both the innate and acquired immune systems, and therefore having efficiency in a broad range of both autoimmune and autoinflammatory diseases. They act on cells by both genomic and non-genomic mechanisms. The does determines which effect occur. There is activation of the cytosolic GC receptor by a classical genomic mechanism. This mechanism results in the separation of pro-inflammatory molecules called transrepression and upregulation of many anti-inflammatory molecules called transactivation. Thank you.